Good morning, everybody. And this is your Euro USD setups for today. So the levels are still exactly the same as they were last week, and that is 112.015 and 111 to the downside. So we are ranging, and I'm not really keen on jumping in on this when we're ranging like this. If you look at the 3 hour, last week was pretty much up and down, and then you can see yesterday we started off with a bang and then just rejected the top of that range to come back down into this area of chaos. And look at it on the hour, nothing really that you can trade here, to be honest. You need to clear this range before you start trying to find opportunities on this pair. Now 15 minute, you can argue that there was a double top, and there's lots of ways that people would have been trading this, and definitely people have been trading this move to the downside. My strategy doesn't do well in ranges, and it also doesn't do well in second guessing tops and bottoms. So it's a bit of more of a risk management strategy. So in other words, I always wait for confirmation before taking a trade, which makes trading ranges very difficult. Anyway, so it's a range, it's dangerous, it's stay away. It's as simple as that. I'm not really keen in trying to second guess it, and definitely not keen on losing money. So we will wait for a break one way or another. It's either going to break 112.015 to the upside, or it's going to break 111 to the downside. Once that break happens, we'll wait for the retest, and then we'll look for the opportunity. But at the moment, this is a clear sit on hands. If you're looking to force a trade, I'd rather watch the indexes, to be honest, rather than try force it inside here, because I think you'll get burnt. Anyway, that's my view for today, and the DAX has got a good opportunity, the S&P's got a good opportunity, so go look at those videos and you'll see there is definitely opportunity there to make a bit of money, a lot more than what I see on Euro USD. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.